Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Attendix from the 2023 Wave 4. We have Alex Bowman's Ally Next Gen Chevrolet Night Edition. And on the back you can get other cars from Wave 4 and a truck like Kevin Harvick's Ream car, Kyle Busch's number 8 Leveno car, Zane Smith's championship truck, and also look out for the chase piece of Zane Smith's truck. Let's get Alex Bowman out of the box. So here we have the Ally, Do It Right, number 48. And of course, Alex Bowman's his name. So here we have Alex Bowman's next gen car. So Alex Bowman's car has a new design for the 2023 season, and there are two variations of this car, which is one where it's white. So this kind of car you typically see him drive during the night races, where most of the back half of the car is white, but in night races he switches it more to a black color instead. So on the front you have a purple light with dark purple lines over it. Of course now instead of the traditional Ally logo, he has the big A, which is the logo for the Ally, which is right here. And on the side of the car, usually in the white scheme, there's usually dark purple lines, and a white side. And usually the 48 is white, but here in his night scheme, the 48 is now the aqua blue or turquoise color, I think. And on the hood, you got, dark purple lines, and also with some little bit of aqua lines to it with the white 48. And on the back, you got Ally, Do It Right, Camaro, and a yellow 48 on the back here. On the side, it's just the same thing again. You got Ally, Do It Right, Valvoline, HendrickCars.com. And I think that's pretty much it. And I'll give you a nice 360 view of the car. And that'll be all for today's video. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.